name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we have Mel here. She came from Mississippi.
Yeah.
All right. Did you fly or
Drive.
We drove?
Yeah. But we did go to the Biltmore this weekend.
Oh, you did? Oh my God, I love the milk.
It was really nice. My husband tried to make it fun for me.
Oh, he's so
Well, he really is.
sweet. Well, we have Mel here, and can you turn around for me? Oh my God!
Look, I got this little eyeliner ring on here today, trying to be cute, and it's about to be gone.
The day, I know that already. Can you spin around for me so we can show? So she has been matted for about 4 months. She's just been through a lot of family trauma. She's had her own little trauma with her spine, you said?
My neck.
Your neck.
Yeah, MRI's tomorrow.
She is a nurse, and she works in the operating room.
Yep. And a lot of heavy lifting, which caused the neck problem.
There you go. And you know, these things happen. It can happen to anybody. It can happen quick, and I don't think people still don't realize that, because the comment section is always, how could this happen? Da 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 da. It can. It could happen. It can happen quick, and it could happen to anybody. So join us today. If you're not following me, make sure to follow me right here. Subscribe right here on this channel. You can also follow me on TikTok, Leda Fazal and Tone Hair Salon, Instagram, Leda Fazal and Tone Hair Salon, and you can find me on Facebook if you want. All right, let's get this started.
Sounds good.
You're sleeping with someone new, and I'm in New York.
They're asking about it.
Collections, they want to donate to you. I know you said you don't need them.
Can you donate for somebody else?
Your Venmo,
Here's a new beginnings. I can't sleep alone. 'Cause if I do, think of you. And if you miss me too, I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? You said she was just a friend, and I remember thinking the worst at first, but you made me think it was in my head. Yeah, you just said that I was crazy. I thought that I was crazy. I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long, wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Ooh, I can hear my own heart breaking in my heart.
I know how much this means, for real.
Everybody's sending big hugs.
Thank you. I thought I was gonna have to literally shave my head.
Not on our watch.
no ma'am.
Thank you. And I want to make sure that people are kind to other people. Please be kind to other people, because you don't know what people are suffering through and dealing with, you know?
Yes.
People wear masks and they hide it really well. I'm just people be kind to other people. Like y'all have been to me, and like all these people have been. Because that's how it helps me to get help. It helps other people to get help, you know? You're so sweet. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love y'all too.
You're so beautiful.
This is where the guys truly.
Too